Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to play videos. The videos cannot be played because the file format is not supported. So guys, how to fix this error on iPhone and iPad? If you are unable to play videos, show pop-up error on iPhone and iPad, try these troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Number one is close the photo app and reopen it and fix your problem. Number second is check internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, and make sure your iOS device is connected to a stable internet connection. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi. If your iPhone is connected to a rough Wi-Fi, simply change the connection, connect your iPhone with stable internet connection and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying this solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve the issues. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and fix this problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check video format. Ensure the video is in a compatible format like MP4 or MOV. If video is not compatible, simply delete the video and formatted supported video fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update iOS settings. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is clear caches from iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on little bit scroll up, find Safari, little bit scroll up and tap on clear history and website data, close all and fix. If solution number 6 is not working, applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone settings and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying this solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check video performance. Ensure the app has permission to access your camera and photos. Tap on settings, go to photos and all permissions are enabled. Simply you can see, if disable, enable and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, contact with support.apple.com, and if you are using beta version, simply downgrade and upgrade your iPhone with the official iOS version and iPad OS version and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix unable to play videos on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch after iOS update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.